Hi, my name is Chris, and this is my Maker portfolio.
I built an omnidirectional hoverboard that my friend Alex and I call the Polar Board. It's made of many 3D printed parts, sheet metal, and other over-the-counter components. I designed the Polar Board in Fusion 360 in about 2 weeks. Using pressure-sensitive foot pedals, gyros, an Arduino, and a no-drive motor controller, we can precisely draw brushless hobby motors using a wide range of sensor input. Here's a demo of position control using PID and a rotary encoder. The Polar Board consists of two coaxial storage drive modules that allow the board to travel by rotating the wheel about the vertical drive axis. To make the sheet metal parts for most of the Polar Board, I used Fusion 360's CAM workspace to route the pieces out of aluminum on my DIY CNC router. I designed my router in Fusion 360 and it currently resides in my garage. All of the sheet metal parts on the Polar Board have come from this machine, and I spent over 30 hours in my garage supervising the cuts. Among other things, I revived an abandoned chassis on my FRC team to carry and transport heavy objects to save the students some effort. I designed a small 3D printed electronics enclosure to house four Victor 888 motor controllers, an Arduino, and RC receiver. The Arduino splits the RC card PWM channels and converts it into a tank PWM output where the Victor controllers drive the robot. In my junior year of being on the team, I was the sole designer and builder of our continuous cascading lift for that year. I went through two design iterations on Fusion 360, and I used a complex series of pulleys and ropes to achieve lift. I made sure to emboss our team number and logo anywhere I could. The lift was capable of extending past the top of the robot to allow it to reach higher than that of an elevator. We brought this robot to our competitions where we placed as quarterfinalists in both regional competitions. My Cascade received the imagery award from the judges because of how unique my design was compared to most other teams. In my spare time, I love to build and fly FPV racing drones. I absolutely love how these little things can accelerate so unexpectedly to surprise a friend watching you fly. These drones reach speeds of up to 80 miles per hour and can pull off some serious acrobatic maneuvers. Flying in first person view through obstacles and tight spaces is an exhilarating experience that can't be properly represented with words. I've also built an electric skateboard that I enjoy riding to the park on a nice day to get my mind off school and my obligations.
Thank you for watching my Maker portfolio.